Welcome to this quick home office stretch that will help your body take a break from hunching over computer and also help your mind to take a break from work. Let's begin seated at the edge of the chair, plant your feet down, sit up tall and begin to roll your shoulders back. Take a few big shoulder circles, as big as you can. Then lower your shoulders down away from the ears. Place your hands on your thighs and lower your right ear towards your right shoulder for neck stretch. You can stay right here or you can use your right hand to deepen the stretch. Make sure you keep your left shoulder down, far away from your left ear. Then turn your head down to bring the stretch a bit more into the back of the neck. Stay here for a few more breaths. And then release, switch to the other side, lower your left ear to your left shoulder, maybe using your left hand to increase the stretch. Slowly turn your head down for a few more breaths in this position, keeping your right shoulder down away from your right ear. And slowly return back to center. Bring your hands behind your head. With inhale, lift your chest, open your elbows wide, look up. Exhale around the spine, drop your chin to the chest, bring your elbows together. Inhale to open, lift your heart, and exhale around everything again. A few more times like this, just move with your breath, mobilizing the spine, moving at your comfortable pace. And then the next time you lift your chest, stay there but keep breathing. Just pausing here for a moment. Widen the elbows, lift your heart. One more inhale. And exhale, release everything. Place your left hand on top of your right knee, right hand somewhere behind you on the chair, and gently twist, look back over your right shoulder. Come back to center and switch sides. Twist to the left, look back over your left shoulder. And release your twist. Stand up, move your chair away. For a variation of downward facing dog, place your hands on top of your table, walk away from the table and let your chest melt down between the shoulders. As you can see, this is very similar to downward facing dog shape, but in standing. So you can keep your legs straight or bent, or even walk your feet out on spot a few times. You might feel the stretch more around the shoulders and upper back, or on the lower body, hamstrings and calves. Just depends on your body. Simply find a position that feels nice, where you feel some stretch, and stay there. You have an option to just stay here for a few more breaths, or find a ragdoll pose. Fold your upper body over the legs, hold the opposite elbows with your hands, let your head hang heavy, maybe sway a little side to side, back and forth, to release tension in the lower back. Maybe shake your head. Take one more deep breath wherever you are. And with the next breath, slowly roll your spine up to standing. Roll your shoulders back. And you're ready to come back to work. I hope this little stretch break was helpful. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!